Not feeling good?
Dumb spinny ride.
Blizzard River.
We're doing penguin. Cold water.
You doing penguin?
Yeah.
You're gonna get wet?
Maybe.
Oh, well, I could handle that. We're all doing penguin.
Penguin.
A little nice nudge there.
Nice nudge into this.
You coming in ours?
Yes, it'll be fun.
All right.
I'm going with you guys.
6.
Welcome to Single Blizzard Review. Must be 3648.
Oh, well, here. Sit here.
Oh.
That's the bucket.
Hey, it's a little wet in here.
It's like this. No, we didn't get it. Dad, aren't you the one who normally gets wet?
I think I've been lied to.
We got a whole...
Josh isn't gonna get wet.
Josh isn't going to get wet. Josh, you're going to get the most water now.
Des, so do you get wet, Des? Some people get wet.
My shoes got wet.
Oh no, I don't want wet shoes.
Oh, wait.
I already have wet shoes.
Oh, no.
My shoes are nice and dry right now. Got a picture of Dylan and I? With my dorky glasses?
It's in the safe spot. Because it's not bumpy.
What a great day. Nice and sunny. You can't hold on. Oh. Catch it like this? Oh, here we go. Ah! Whoa! Oh no! Whoa! Ah! 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 My butt's so wet! And it's not.
I went down backwards.
My shoes are wet. That's the best thing to do on a rainy day.
Yeah.
Go on a water ride. Hey.
We didn't learn when we went to Fish Gardens.
My phone got wet.
I didn't get wet at all until Josh stepped on my foot.
When I was going backwards down the last thing, I was like, uh-oh.
What? I got wet.
Hey,
That was so much fun.
I got a little wet.
Again.
no, I'm going elsewhere.
Wants to go again.
Yes,
Yeah.
it does. Alice and Ammon might want to go again.
Probably. Alright, I can turn it off now. You liked it? Out of 5 thumbs, how many thumbs would you give it? 4 thumbs? 5? 3? After all that, I loved it?
Yeah. I loved it. 3 thumbs.
We gave the Joker 4.25 thumbs.
4.25.
For me,
Stop it! Don't
ah!
Why are you guys so scared of the water?
Yeah, but then they get all wet and you're walking around. Alright, I gotta turn it off. Okay, Penguins Paradise, what is this called again?
No. It's the Penguin River. Good thing they don't spray us. The water's warm though. Yeah, I thought they were gonna make it cold.